Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechSpot. Today I will be talking about the new successor, Surface Pro X of Surface lineup from Microsoft. You should first have a look at the launch trailer of the Microsoft Surface Pro X and then I will give you the general overview and its technical specifications. If you like the video, please hit the like and share button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for latest tech updates. General overview. Built for Windows 10 and web-first experiences, Surface Pro X runs Microsoft 365 and the best of today's web-first experiences, including the new Microsoft Edge, Chrome and more. Portable and productive make Surface Pro X a full laptop with Surface Pro X signature keyboard with slim pen. The pen stores securely and recharges in the luxurious Alcantara covered keyboard, complete with backlit keys and large multi-touch glass trackpad. Thin, light, and always connected. Stay in touch with blazing fast LTE Advanced Pro all-day battery life up to 13 hours and fast charging. Ultra portable at 7.3mm thin and weighing just 774 grams. See and do more on the virtually edge-to-edge Pixel Sense 13 inches display touchscreen with signature 3:2 ratio to give you the most workspace possible. Get back to work faster with Instant On and Wake On Open. Premium performance on the go powered by Qualcomm. The new custom Microsoft SQ1M processor delivers multitasking laptop performance, all-day battery life, and fast LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity. Designed for speed and connectivity, life moves quickly, and whether you're running from meeting to meeting, catching up in a cab, or multitasking on the train, the custom Microsoft SQ1 processor inside Surface Pro X helps you keep up. Fast Outlook, Excel, and browser performance, plus high-quality video chats, seamless email, and 4K streaming let you stay productive, save time, and be connected nearly anywhere at any time. Developed in partnership with Qualcomm, maximizing performance, productivity, connectivity, and battery life in our signature thin design was the goal when collaborating with Qualcomm to develop the custom Microsoft SQ1 processor. The result: PC power in an ultra-thin, 2-in-1 laptop, and a new class of modern, lightweight, LTE-enabled designs that build on renowned Qualcomm DNA, with all-day battery life to fully support an always-on, always-connected mobile lifestyle. A powerful balance whether on the road, in the air, or at your favorite cafe. Create at the speed of thought with Surface Pro X, featuring next-gen performance, all-day battery, fast charging, and LTE connectivity. Browse, stream, connect, and get seriously productive. Working without an office is easy when your laptop is optimized for mobility, with all-day battery life, PC class performance, and blazing fast LTE, all in a thin, light design running today's most productive browser and apps. Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneDrive. Sketch, create, capture, and share intuitively with Surface Pen, or catch up, connect, and kick back with WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, WeChat, Skype, Netflix, Spotify, iTunes, Whiteboard, OneNote, Adobe Fresco, Concepts.
360 degrees view. Technical specifications.
Surface Pro X tech specs. Here's everything you need to know about Surface Pro X, our thinnest 2-in-1 laptop with 13-inch touchscreen, amazing graphics, and LTE connectivity. 13 inches touchscreen display. See and do more on virtually edge-to-edge screen automatically adjusts to lighting conditions. 3 GHz ARM processor, 13 inches virtually edge-to-edge touchscreen, LTE Advanced Pro connectivity. First 3 GHz ARM processor on PC with 2 teraflops of best-in-class graphics processing power. Plenty of storage, next-gen graphics with up to 16 GB RAM, multitask across Microsoft 365 apps and multiple tabs. Supports full-speed SSDs for high performance and optimized capability from your laptop's hard drive. Slim, sleek design. Our thinnest 2-in-1 laptop at 7.3mm, perfect for productivity on the go, starting at just 774 grams. Gigabit LTE thanks to the integrated Snapdragon X24 modem to work without an office. Stay connected, no Wi-Fi, no problem, includes LTE Advanced Pro, 2 USB-C ports connect to displays, docking stations, and more. Hit the like, share and subscribe button.